to Gianna LOL Angel channel. Here's my mom, and we're going to be doing a slime challenge. So let's get started. So we have the borax, and we have our containers to do our slimes. So we're going to have our eyes closed, and we're going to pick out one of these glues. And one of these glues we're going to do together. So let's start. So if you don't know how to do this, we're going to close our eyes and we're going to pick a glue. But
first, we have to, when you close your eyes, we're going to mix it up.
Yeah, we need to mix them so that we don't cheat. So if you don't mix it up, you could be like, oh, I want this color. I need to go my eye on it. And I picked the one I want. You need to mix it up first so that they don't get the colors that they want.
Okay, so close your eyes.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You go first. Okay, I need to mix it up. Close your eyes.
I'm not watching.
Okay, go.
Pink, yay!
Okay, my turn.
Okay.
Purple, yay! Sorry, guys. Sorry, this phone keeps falling.
Oh my god. Oh no. I need a tripod. Okay.
Should we do the video again?
No, it's fine.
Okay. So let's start. Okay, let's get in our bowls. Mommy,
We're gonna do both of them?
Sim, but not mix it together. We have our own bowls, that's why.
Is it all gonna fit in there?
See, it's not too much.
Ooh, it's cute and pink. I love pink. I used to have pink hair.
Yes, I squeezed another bottle. I haven't done slime for a very long time, so. Ew, you're farting.
It's just the glue.
And glitter glues are hard to come out, so we need to keep pushing with our muscles. I'm almost there. Are you almost done? Glitter glue, I'm almost done. Okay, I think mine is all done. I think that's enough.
Okay. Now you close it para que no se rellene.
Oops, sorry guys. Oh my gosh. Oh. So, let's do that. Okay, guys. Done. Okay. Now let's activate.
Maybe you have like a little borrador para poner aquí that way.
Here's our activator. Now let's.
So we're gonna do.
I'm just gonna do a little bit, just a little bit. No, mix it up now. Mix it up. Just mix it up now. I'm gonna do the same amount as you.
That's muy chiquito, poquito.
Mix up. Whoa, this is hard to mix. Whoa, guys, look at this pretty color. I'm doing purple. And don't add too much, guys. Adding 2 more scoops of borax. What if we're just adding water? Oh, that would be not cool. Because I don't like jiggly slimes. And I know that we're not adding water because, like, it's activated now. And, Mommy, don't add too much. Then you need to go with your hands. So, don't add too much. I think it's ready to go with your hands, Mommy.
Todavía voy a hacerlo con la cuchara. No lo voy a...
Just mix it up and don't add any more. I'm not gonna add any more. I want a soft slime. So
This is sticky. Sí.
yeah, if it doesn't still form, keep adding activator, but mix it up. Okay, I think I might need a little bit more activator. I'm gonna add 2 more scoops. Don't add too much, guys. Just keep stirring it until it gets slimy.
Ponte más atrás para que...
I think I'm ready to go with my hand. Oh no, it's like glue. Mine is slime, but it feels like glue, guys. Well, this is hard to mix. Wow, why did I expect this? Keep mixing, you, Mommy. You keep mixing. Just take little breaks. I'm gonna add 3 more scoops because I don't. That's all. That's all. I mean, you could add more because that's little. That's a little scoop. Okay.
Next time it's gonna be Papi and daughter slime challenge.
Yeah. Next time it's gonna be dad and daughter. My dad hates slime. He hates touching it, so. But he needs to do it with it. He needs to do it for the fans, guys. And yeah. He needs to do it for the fans, guys. And as you can see, I have a table now. We're not in the kitchen like the spicy noodle challenges. And I'm not in my bed like the LOL one, so. I'm in the table. So we just built it today. We built a little bit yesterday. I think you need to keep mixing. Mine's almost done. I just need to keep mixing. And when it's stringy, that means when you keep mixing, it's gonna go in a really good slime. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with my hands. Oh no, guys! I went in my hands. It's good, guys. It's okay. And this is almost slime. So I'm going in with my hands. Oh, guys, I think that was a bad idea. No, do not anymore.
Sí, because está muy sticky.
That doesn't mean you need to add more. Whoa, that pink slime is so pretty.
It's pretty. Pretty slime.
Pretty, 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 pretty.
Uy, me duelen los dedos.
Her thumbs are hurting. I'm just keep mixing it. I need a little bit more activator. Mommy, can you give me a little bit more activator? Okay. Okay, guys. Oh, guys. I don't want to over-activate it, so I'm mixing. I think I'm gonna keep mixing with my spoon, so I'm gonna get the spoon dirty. Why did I go in with my hands? Guys, that was such a bad idea.
Oh, no.
What?
Tu mano.
Okay, I think you need to go with the hands. I think you're ready, Mommy.
Voy a hacer un poquito más.
No, that's okay.
Oh, ahora sí.
Mommy, I need activator. How did you get a perfect slime? Show the fans. That's her slime. Give me more activator. I want my
It's a
slime. like
little
yours.
sticky, so maybe un poquito más de
Yeah, just a little bit more.
activator.
How do you get a perfect slime and not me? Oh, why? Your baby's gonna turn into a slime expert. Oh, no.
¿Quieres try a slime, babe?
He doesn't like slime, and he's in my bed. I think I need a little bit more borax. More. Okay.
¿Será que ya está? No?
Yeah, just keep mixing with your hands, and it will get good. It's okay, just keep mixing with your hands. If you add more borax, it will get overactivated. That means that... That's bigger than mine! She got more glue than me. I have a little bit more slime, but... Show the fans your slime.
Espera.
No, I got some in the table!
The slime. Pretty slime. Look, go ahead.
Why did I do that? Oh my gosh, guys, look at it. It's slime, but like... I need more borax. I need borax. I need borax. I need borax. Oh, that's yours.
Mira lo que se está viendo todo.
Oh my gosh. I need more borax, Mommy. Give me some. Give me some. I need more borax. Yes. Why is mine not forming? I need a lot more borax. I should have followed my mom's
¿Te lo
steps.
mixeo lo que está ahí?
No. I could mix it when I'm done doing
All right,
this.
mío is ready.
Meanwhile, she's gonna show you some tests. So poke it. Try to poke it. Ooh, that's a really good poker. Ooh, that's good. I need to wait until mine is
Ahora sí
ready.
ya está ready. You can feel it.
Mine is almost ready, so. Can you give me some borax? Activator. Borax. I don't know what to call it. I like to call it activator. Put it on the table. More. Okay, guys. Mine is coming up. That's spilled. Oh my gosh, mine is so sticky.
Y este va a ser la container para él.
Yeah.
Y you can mix it up.
Ah!
Ta-da!
Mine is not slime. I really want to feel yours.
El tuyo sí está bien, ¿no?
I just
¿Todavía
need to
falta?
keep mixing. Oh, mine's really good. Slime, I can keep mixing it. I'm gonna get the rest of my slime. So, well, guys, what's up? You guys think it was a little bit of slime, but I have a lot left. A little bit. So yeah, guys. This is my slime. I'm almost done.
¿Tú estás ahí, babe?
Sí, no puedo ver.
Sí, yo quiero.
¿Arroba?
Lo he puesto con los señales, nada. Aquí está, pero me
¿Cómo está?
So tiene que shift.
Shift and...
Oh, that is chip.
Shift.
Oh,
Shift.
chip. Okay.
Check.
Because no entendí esa palabra yo.
Shift.
Oh, shift.
Okay. So I'm still mixing mine. My arms are really tired. But it's fun, guys. But my hands, my arms, are tired. And for
Okay,
sure.
so thank you guys.
No, we're still doing the blue one.
Just two today.
No, we're still doing the blue one, guys. Don't
Bye, guys.
No. No.
No, it's just Gia.
Yeah, now it's me. I need more activator. I need more.
Ponlo más allá.
Oh no, guys, I hope you don't finish the whole thing. We need to save some for the blue, guys. It's so sticky. I can't, it's like super glue. It's like hard.
Mixéalo con todo lo que está ahí.
Okay.
Mira, eso se está regando right here.
I need more. No, don't touch it. Mine is really sticky.
All right.
Whoa.
Should be good now.
Yeah, it should be good. Ooh, yeah, it's getting good, guys.
Y agárralo todo ahí.
Yes, guys. Yes.
Mhm.
It's a little sticky,
Oh,
guys.
todavía está sticky.
It's a little bit.
Good. Ya está, ¿no?
Yes.
All right.
So let's get stains. Oh, sorry, guys. Ah.
I'll do it.
Yeah, you do it because your hands are more clean. this, do that, do this, do that, do this, do that, do this. My slime is made. Now let's feel each other's slimes. Mine is a little rubber, but we could always put lotion.
Is a little rubber? Come
Yeah, rubber. That means like it's not that stretchy, but it's stretchy. I really want to feel yours. Here, feel mine. Here. Mine is not sticky anymore, so don't worry. Yeah. Whoa, yours it feels so satisfying. Yours feels good. Let's see the poke.
Good poke.
You added a little bit too much activator, but it's okay.
See?
Yeah, because it's kind of not that stretchy,
Oh.
but it's okay. The blue one, we will get better. This could always get better tomorrow.
Okay.
So
thank
now,
you guys for watching.
no, we're doing the blue
Espera.
one now,
Es que
guys.
entonces va a estar muy long for YouTube.
Okay.
So,
So, bye guys. Don't forget to watch the next video. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any more videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and subscribe
and comment down below.
and comment down below what was the better slime. The purple slime or the pink one. Bye guys. Stay tuned for the next one.